All right, that was just 2 pounds of frozen spinach. I'm next coming in with my rotel, and I didn't drain this. I have 2 cans of the original. Delicious. This is gonna be a super easy and super yummy little snack. I have some cream cheese here, and we're gonna do 2 blocks of cream cheese as well. Oh my goodness, looks so good. All right, next I'm coming in with my sharp white cheddar. I'm using the Tillamook, and I'm actually gonna use 3 bags of this. You need a lot of cheese for this recipe. Now, do not be scared of the cheese. This is gonna serve a big group of people. So it is not all going to one person. It may seem like too much, but it is gonna be plenty. Okay, somehow we have to squeeze in that 3rd bag because we do not want to skimp on our cheese. Oh my goodness, all these flavors are gonna be delicious together. All right, next I'm gonna come in with some sour cream, and we're gonna use 16 ounces of sour cream, kind of just get it on top of that rotel. I think that's the best spot for this. Might need a bigger pan if you guys decide to recreate this. I'm just using a 13x9 lasagna pan. Now I have some jalapenos. I'm using diced jalapenos, and if you don't like the heat, you can skip it, but I personally love the heat. Okay, get that kind of mushed together. Oh my gosh, this is getting crazy really quick. All right, now I'm coming in with some minced garlic, and I'm gonna add a couple tablespoons of this. Just kind of here and there. Use maybe the rest of this jar. You guys know I love my garlic. Now, I'm popping this in the oven, but you can also make this on the grill and give it a nice smoky flavor with a smoker, but I only have a Blackstone and no grill, so we are popping it in the oven. All right, now we're gonna season this. I have some chili powder, and you can season this however you like. That's what I say with all of my recipes. So if there's something that I'm putting in here that you don't like, just skip it. I'm gonna add some paprika right in there. Perfect. And then some onion powder. Add some good onion flavor. I'm not gonna do any garlic powder because we have all of that garlic already in here. And then last but not least, some black pepper. Oh my goodness, this is coming together beautifully. All right, that is it, you guys. My oven is set to 350, and we're gonna put that in there for about 45 minutes. Oh my, this smells incredible. Okay, it is time to give it a mix. Get that spinach nice and well combined with the cheeses, the sour cream, the rotel. This is gonna be the best spinach dip you've ever had. Now, I've made this in the crock pot before, but honestly, I didn't have time to wait for a crock pot, so I did it in the oven, but look how creamy and delicious this is. It just gets better as you keep mixing it, so just keep mixing it until your arm starts to hurt. Oh my, the ultimate spinach dip, all ready to enjoy. Now it's all about balance, so I have, my healthy grain-free tortilla chips, but you could use a Frito, you can use a Tostito, whatever you like, and we're gonna dig right in. Oh my gosh. Enjoy. This is so good, you guys.